Hi everyone, good morning. So this is me again, Nalfi, your beautiful midwife. And for today's video, guys, I'm here at my office, guys, and I just wanna I just wanna show you. I just wanted to brag about my boyfriend bringing me baon here in my work. So I didn't get to walk up early kasi, guys. So my Plang brought me baon for lunch because starting today, I don't wanna eat breakfast because as you can see, I'm too fat already. I'm too big and my tummy is so big already. So I decided not to eat breakfast from now on until my tummy get lost weight. So I want to show you my lunch box that my boyfriend brought me. So let's open it. And wala lang, guys, I'm just so proud and happy that my relationship with my boyfriend get better so get a little better than compared before. Okay, I don't know why, but I think that hindi kami masyadong friendly sa isa't isa before. And palagi kaming nag-aaway, ganyan. And simula nung nag-break kami for almost 1 month, and umalis ako sa tinitirhan namin and nag-staff house ako, guys. And hanggang nung nagkabalikan kami, before kami nagkabalikan is sinasabi namin, pinag-usapan namin yung mga problema namin and napagkasunduan namin na pag may problema kami sa isa't isa at ganon, kailangan pag-usapan para hindi na lalaki yung gulo. Kasi dati, guys, kasi nag-story na. Kasi nga dati pag may hindi ako nagugustuhan na ginawa niya, kinikim-kim ko lang yon. And then until na darating yung time para akong bomba na nag-e-explode, ganun. So in one event, dun lang pumuputok lahat ng galit ko. Kaya pag nagagalit ako, sobrang sobrang gulo namin. So, and then our relationship ngayon, guys, is parang naging strong kami simula nung magkabalikan kami, guys. Magkabalikan for almost 1 month. So ngayon, nagiging medyo sweet na siya ng konti. So, and ayun. Kasi, kaninang umaga, wala kasi siyang, ngayon, wala siyang pasok. Kasi, it's holiday. And, ganun din naman ako. Pero gusto kong pumasok para may double pay tayo ngayon. Stories! So, pagka gising niya, gumising kasi siyang gumising siyang maaga kasi pumunta siyang office nila para magperma dun sa mga chorbaler nila. And then, before siya umalis, sabi niya, oh, bumangon ka na dyan, mag-ano ka na, lutuin mo yung dried fish, basta, inutusan niya kung magsaing, and then, lutuin yung dried fish. Hindi ako gumising ng maaga. Gumising ako mga 7:40 na, and 8 AM yung pasok ko sa trabaho. So, hindi na ako nagsaing, hindi na ako nakapagluto ng dried fish kasi bumili siya ng dried fish kahapon. So, tuyo pala yun sa Tagalog. And then, pagbalik niya, nakaluto ka, sabi ko, hindi, kasi, late na ako gumising. Sabi ko, gusto ko pa naman kumain ng dried fish. Sabi ko, nakalimutan ko na may dried fish. So, ayun, sabi niya, sige, okay lang, dadala na lang kita mamaya. Sige, okay lang, kakiwa ba magtagalog ko. So, ayun, hi guys, nagbi-video ako dito guys. I'm doing so here's the lunch box he made for me guys, and then I wanna show you what's inside this lunch box. What's inside? Alam niyo naman na it's dried fish. But what kind of dried fish is this? Oh my god, my boyfriend brought me this lunch box guys, so I wanna brag this about to you. It's so yummy. Actually, napakita ko na to kanina sa live ko, and then ayan, ang daming dried fish. So dried fish yung ulam ko, and thanks to my boyfriend. So, bagong taka nun!
Anong bag?
So, bye! If you like this video, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I love you so much. This is me again, Nalfi, your beautiful midwife. Bye-bye!